Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to be talking about consent versus assent. Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to be talking about consent versus assent. There's a very minor distinction here between those two terms, and if you aren't familiar with clinical research or clinical trials or those two terms, they may confuse you, like what's going on. Now, these are normally terms that are used in the pediatric studies that you see because adults can give proper consent and it's not an issue during the informed consent process. But children cannot. So there's assent that's required. So basically, an adult can give proper consent. They can find this PI or the study coordinator can give proper informed consent, and they can sign off on the informed consent form, understanding that they know what's going to go on during the clinical trial and all of the risks that are associated with that. But a child is not legally obligated, at least in the States, if you're under 18, to give proper consent to a clinical trial. And so they have to sign what's an assent form, and that's basically agreement that they agree to the clinical trial. But because they are a child, an adult has to sign a consent form for that child as well. So for a child, there's both a consent form and an assent form. Consent form filed by their legal guardian or parent, and the assent form signed by the child themselves saying that they agree. Now, in order for that patient to be randomized, you're going to need both a consent and an assent form. If you're missing one of them, they're not going to be able to move forward in the clinical trial process. So that's something key. For a child, you're going to need both consent and assent. Where for an adult, all you're going to need is consent because they are older than the age of consent, so they can give proper consent. So that's a key difference there. Just want to do this short video. By the way, this was a clinical trial video in case you didn't know. I know a lot of my videos kind of blur the lines, but key video here. Just want you guys to know that if you're not in clinical trials or don't understand clinical trials, you can just ignore this video, and we'll be back with you soon, guys. So like this video, share this video, email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com for anything you may need, any tips, any inquiries you may have, just want to connect. As always, email us there. And that's it for today's video, guys. Take care.